Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Fibonacci sequence shell design. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is make a custom block. Call it square and input length. And run without screen refresh. Okay, what this will do is this will be drawing individual squares using the cat. Now add the pin extension. And under this block, pin down. Repeat 4 times, once for each side of the square. Move length steps, and that allows us to control the size of the square. And then turn 90 degrees right, which will be turning the right angle between each side, and then pin up. And then what you're going to want to do is when green flag clicked, erase all. Set pin size to whatever you want. I'm going to go with 6. And then forever, erase all, and then you're gonna make a custom block, call it draw, run without screen refresh. This will be what will draw it, and plug it in here, and now let's fill this in. Okay, so go ahead and under that block, add a go to 0x30y, which will be its starting position, and then point in direction 0, which will reset the turning we're about to do. And then make a variable, call it size, and this will control the size differential, and then set size to 10. You can make that whatever you want. I'm just going to do 10 because that looks the best in my opinion. And then repeat 100 times. Plug in the custom block square, and then add times 2, so the square size variable times 2, and then turn 5 degrees right, which will rotate each square, so each square is a bit differently rotated, and then change the size variable by 0.6, and then change pin color by 1 to get the rainbow effect. Okay, good. So now if we run this, look, then you just have to hide them. Boom. There it is. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.